This video is going to show you how you can design the lifting and gripping mechanism for your robot. You can start with a flat base and a platform to carry the grippers up and down. You can put a pair of guide poles on it to guide the lifting mechanism as it slides. Then you could put a pair of grippers on the platform and add a servo motor to open and close them. To make the platform go up and down, we could add a motor with a pulley on it that operates a rubber belt. This would need another pulley at the top to hold the belt up, and a place on the platform to fix the belt too. Now we can see that the way we have placed the servo motor gets in the road of the belt. So maybe we can take that and turn it around to create some more space for the belt. Now the servo motor gets in the road of the guide poles, so perhaps we have to put them a little further apart. Now let's have a look at what happens when we lower the grippers to pick up the payload. We can see that we can only lower it so far because the servo motor hits the base of the robot. Maybe we could turn the servo upside down so that the grippers are at the bottom. Now we can get them much further down. Another way of making the platform go up and down is to use a stepper motor with a lead screw on it. There are advantages and disadvantages of both systems. The stepper motor produces very accurate control of the height, but it needs 2 battery packs and a control box, and it also occupies space that affects how close to the ground you can bring the lifting device. The toothed belt requires only 1 battery pack, but to know when it's at the top or bottom positions, you need to add detector switches that give you this information. You will also need another H-bridge to control this third motor, so your circuit board will be more complex. The process of designing your gripper involves constantly finding better ways in which all the components can fit into the available space and work together properly, and always looking for the simplest options from the available choices. This is the challenge of good design. You will be constantly adjusting your ideas to make things work together better, and gradually refining your design until you are eventually satisfied with it.